probably the best thing you can do when taking the APCSA test is when you encounter variables and you encounter any sort of information that you have to keep track of in your head and that you have to remember while manipulating it, that you want to write down. Because a lot of the times these questions are going to be asking questions like, what is 1 plus 2? Is it 1, 2, or is it 2, 1? And it's really, you don't want to spend that time trying to figure out all that stuff. So it's just best to write stuff down. Right, so for example, in this question, it's a very easy question. We could easily do it in our head, but taking a few seconds to write it down will honestly cancel out all of that time that it takes for us to try to remember exactly all of the indexes in our head. And usually for CSA, APCSA, it's just best to write stuff down. It is much faster than doing it in your head, right? Because they try to trick you a lot, and it's just not fast to do it in your head. So, starting at line 8, so the question is, what will be printed? Okay, so we're printing items. Items is an array list. Okay, great. So now we just have to know what's in the array list. So, this is what's going to be in the array list. Starting at line 8, we add A, then B, then C, and then we add an index 0, D, so then we add D, right? And then we remove index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. And then at index 0, we add E. So then we're going to have E, D, A, B. And that's your answer. There we go. We've got the answer already. That's all you have to do. Just write it down. It's much faster.